You wouldn't go to the beach without sunscreen or walk in the rain without an umbrella. So don't leave your car outside without protection either. Defend your car from the elements with WeatherTech's Sunbrella Outdoor Car Cover. Let's take a closer look. Sunbrella Outdoor Car Cover is custom fit to hug the natural contours and shape of your vehicle, ensuring a snug fit that helps prevent damage from extended outdoor exposure in any climate. It's made of a soft yet sturdy, high-performance, water-repellent material that defends your car against dirt, water, or any other kind of debris. Plus, it's UV resistant to protect your vehicle's paint job from the sun. The cover is machine washable and comes with a storage bag to stash it away whenever you take your car out for a drive. Preserve your vehicle in any season with WeatherTech's Sunbrella Outdoor Car Cover.